for this DIY project I decided to build a universal bike that will be great as a city bike, gravel bike or touring bike with super easy gearing that could handle Zurich, with good tires, wider tires that could handle some dirt roads, and that's something that will be super comfortable for very long rides. And all I needed for this was an old frame I found in the trash and the help of a great friend. So let's have a look at how it's been done. Removing the bottom bracket is always a fight, but with this enormous wrench we were up for the battle. We made it! Next comes ordering some new parts, since I could not source everything second hand. And we're gonna need to separate some useless trash. This frame never dreamt of receiving a Hollowtech 2 bottom bracket. An old V-link will need to be straightened back. A quill conversion will allow to use a modern MTB stem. This second-hand MTB group set with 22 by 36 teeth will be more than enough. If the shifters won't fit, some drilling has to be used. And adjusting MTB shifters to drop bar handlebars will allow to shave a few grams. Let's make it IP66 water sealed. Old screws, just drill through them. So let's see the result. A top-notch group set with battery smooth shifting performance. The latest model of cantilever brakes. Suspension seat post and the soft saddle are a statement by itself. And the handlebars angled towards ergonomy. With seamlessly installed MTB shift levers, the 40mm tires further enhance its sleek look. The Trash Bike 2020, ready for adventure. Hey, slowly coming back from the first ride, and I can say it's a different feel riding a bike of which you held every single screw compared to a bike that you buy ready-made. And so I can definitely recommend trying something like that, and hopefully I inspired some of you. So happy building and happy riding. And I give him all my honey.